Hey, this is David Benjamin from Rockstar Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Bellicon Go, which is right here. Now, the Bellicon Go is Bellicon's newest rebounder model, and I'm just going to read to you real quick the difference between the Bellicon Go and the other models. So the Bellicon Go, it requires self-assembly. So when you get it, you're actually going to have to assemble here and here and then here. So it's three pieces, 1, 2, 3. You bring those together, and then you put this on, and then the legs. Fairly simple self-assembly. Maybe takes 15, 20 minutes tops. The frame, like I said, is in 3 parts. You screw it on, put the bungees, the mat on. It's very simple. This Bellicon Go comes in a 44-inch diameter. So the 44-inch diameter is the mid-grade size for the Bellicons in the Bellicon family. So with another Bellicon, for example, the Bellicon Classic, the 44-inch frame is $599. So, excuse me, I'm sorry, $699. So you're quite literally saving $200 on the Bellicon Go for just $499, simply because you're getting it in the frame where you assemble and it's all black and it's not customized. So that alone, you're saving $200. Everything is black. It's a steel frame, black bungees, gray trim, that kind of thing. As far as the comparison to the original models, it's really the same thing, except for you are assembling yourself, which once again is the 1, 2, 3 parts. The bungees and the mat go on, and then the legs. I mean, it's literally 15, 20 minutes tops, 30 minutes tops if you're slower at these things to assemble. And it still has this like protection cover over this side of the bungees, so that when you jump on it, your feet can go in there and land on those and it doesn't hurt. I mean, I'm stepping on them, putting all my weight on one foot even, and it doesn't hurt. The bounce is the exact same as all other Bellicons. Quite literally the exact same as the Bellicon Classic or the Bellicon Premium even. I've used multiple Bellicons now. I have multiple family members that own the Bellicon. This is my sister's Bellicon, the Bellicon Go. So for $499, you are getting the same exact Bellicon experience, except for you have to assemble it yourself, which takes 25 minutes, and it's in all black. That's literally the only 2 differences between the Bellicon Go and other Bellicon models at this 44-inch diameter size. You're simply saving $200. So you get that great bounce. In fact, let me show you something. I don't think you can do this on most rebounders. Check this out. This is gonna get a little weird, but stick with me. If I sit on it and I do this, my feet are on the floor and I'm sitting on it, and I start to bounce like this a little bit, I can actually lift my legs. And the bounce is that good that I can literally bounce on my butt like a big trampoline on this, because the bungees are so there's such a good bounce with the Bellicon. So I've jumped on trampolines my entire life since I was a kid, and that's why I love the Bellicons, and that's what got me into them and trying out different models and things. And it's cool to actually test the Bellicon Go, because when I first jumped on it, my first impression was this is the exact same quality and material and experience as all the other Bellicons, and for $200 cheaper for this same 44-inch diameter size. So just for a frame of reference, I'm 5'9", and when I jump on it, if I'm standing about shoulder width apart, I have maybe a good 3-4 inches on either side. Actually, more than that if you include this lip thing. Maybe 6-7 inches or so on each side that I have to jump on beyond my shoulder width on either side. So whether I'm this way or whatever it may be, I have that width to jump, and I don't feel like I'm in danger in any way. I have a little bit of room to move. So there's plenty of room to move. The bounce is great. It takes a little bit of assembly, and it's in all black. But if you don't really care about the customization options and you just want to jump on something for your health and fitness, the Bellicon Go is amazing at $499. I think they even offer financing now too. And I believe they also potentially may even be doing free shipping on this as well. So it's literally $499 out the door. It's German engineered, or it's a German company. I believe it's German engineered as well, or Swiss engineered from Germany, something like that. But anywho, high quality products, great bounce experience, same as all the other Bellicons. And the nice thing about it too is that because you assemble it yourself, it also kind of gives you more portability. So that's something to keep in mind. If you move a lot, if you live in an apartment or a condo, or you live somewhere seasonally or something like that, because of the self-assembly aspect of it, which only takes 20 minutes to set up or less if you've done it a few times, it gives you that portability to utilize the Bellicon, to travel, to break down, to move into different rooms and things like that. So I love it. I love the Bellicons. I recommend the Bellicons to many people. It gives you benefits for your lymphatic health. It gives you benefits for your circulation, benefits for your joint and structural health. And it's just a fun experience overall. It's a good way to get the heart rate up. It's good for so many layers and elements of the body. And it's one of the best lymphatic exercises that you can possibly do. So it's really cool to see Bellicon evolving as a company and to bring the price point down to $4.99 from $6.99 or $7.99. If you want a more advanced model, you can get the bigger model, the wider diameter, the custom bands that are different colors. But if you want something simple and just to get started with rebounding and jumping, get the Bellicon Go. I'll put the link below to the Bellicon Go for $4.99. And like I said, I saw at one point an email that they were offering free shipping, so I'll make sure to get that link if I can find it and put that right below in the description section or comment section. So anyways, that's the review of the Bellicon Go. Highly recommend it. There's nothing about it that I would say, oh, they can do this better. I've tried the Nedak Rebounder, the Jumpsort, the Costco brand, every brand on the market that I have tried does not even compete or compare to the Bellicon. And it's cool to see the Bellicon Go come down in price a few $100 to make it feasible for more people to access it. So check it out below. I'll link up Bellicon. Highly recommend it. If you enjoyed this review, leave your comments below. I'm more than happy to answer questions. I know more about the Bellicon than most people because I have 3 family members now that own the Bellicon. So I've tried literally 3 different models and I've been jumping on all of them. So really cool, really great experience jumping on the trampoline and the Bellicon, and I think you'll enjoy it and like it. So leave your comments below, questions, anything you have. I'm more than happy to help you out here, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.